Okay, folks. Well, I went down to freezing equipment. Got an an M79451 air filter for the JX85, which is right there. And I'm going to change the air filter. Let's get this. Okay, that was packaging. Oops, sorry about that. There we go. Look at that. Brand new. Here, let me set the camera down. There we go. Okay. Foam pre-cleaner, and it goes like this. Sorry about that. There we go. Perfect. My hands are a bit oily. That's all there is to it. And there you be. So we'll go and put this in the base. I won't keep priming it because it'll ruin the base. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the float since it's not getting fuel. And we'll see how bad it is. Okay. Now we come over here. That and that. All that crap out. And we put the cover, nut. I like working with small engines. Might even go to school, become a mechanic with them. Should have done that a long time ago. I should have done things years ago. There we go. And there you be. John Deere JX85 mower. I will replace the gas cap, stuff like that. Needs a new clutch and handle. See, the throttle is stiff. So yeah, and hopefully I'll get this thing fixed and running. So you have yourself a great day and take care. Bye.